Eduardo, hello. How are you? Yeah, Eduardo, I'm excited for today as well. I'm kind of waiting for Tesla right now. I do want to short it at some point. I'll show you where I'm looking at in a second. I'm just gonna go through my watch list again really quick. Ugh. Alan, good morning, buddy. Red, good morning, buddy. I have something cool to show you guys in a second here. So how has all of your guys' weeks been so far? Good, bad, meh? What happened yesterday night for you, Eduardo? Ooh, baby. GLD is gonna be the one for today, guys. I like it a lot. Also, look at that pre-market volume on GLD. Just saying, guys. Yeah, not gonna lie, Eduardo. It sounds like the entire crypto market kind of tanked. To be honest, I've never been a big crypto guy. I've always kind of found it, I don't know, a bit silly. I guess I don't see like how this is gonna be usable in the future. I guess I do see a little bit of exposure play to them, like maybe 1 or 2% of a folio. Uh, so I get that part, but yeah, I didn't own any crypto, so I haven't really been following the crypto market much. Also, guys, we're about to long GLD here if it breaks above this line here. It looks pretty solid. Pretty big volume. Couple rejections back here, another one here. Yeah. Okay, it broke. Time to enter, guys. Let's get it. Uh Schwab. Man, I should have been ready for this. Let's rip. What do we have? 175.9. So let's go GLD. Um, hmm. What I'm thinking about is if we want to swing this or not really quick. Let's go 528, 176 calls. So pretty safe. Market order. A little late to that breakout, not gonna lie. But I really like this. I think, guys, this is either gonna be like a full day trade, like we're probably gonna hold this at least for the entire day, or we're probably gonna swing this. If somebody wants to let everybody know in the Discord that we just bought GLD 528, 176 calls, that would be very kind of you. And there they go. My average was, come on, Schwab, I know you can load. Anybody hop in GLD? Because like we're already up bigly, not gonna lie. Anyone? Nobody? Okay, why is my Wi-Fi so bad, man? Just curious, what do you guys use for Wi-Fi? Because my Wi-Fi has been giving me like major issues lately. Hey, sheesh. I already hit my daily goal, guys. And Xfinity. So my entry was 1.81. We're currently sitting at 2.0. I hit my goal for the day. Let's trim here and let's move a stop loss up here. Let's just get a trailing stop going. We'll have like a stop right there. Dude, how can Schwab be this slow right now? Kind of pisses me off. I've been thinking about moving brokers just because of how slow Schwab can be in the mornings. I probably won't because like they really are great for like filling large orders, but still kind of pisses me off. Also, what were all your guys' entries? Mine was 1.8. Ha! I win, dude. Oh, no. 1.8. 1.8, not 1.1. That's right, though. That's just Schwab getting my back. Okay, so let's trim red. Eduardo, did you guys pick up more than one position here? Because if so, I think we trim half of them here. Okay, Eduardo, I would sell one here because we're up pretty big. I'm gonna trim half. Red, I guess that's up to you. You're up pretty big. So I guess you can choose whether you want to sell or hold. Oh my gosh. Okay. Schwab, thank you for lagging out on me. What the heck? Okay. So we definitely like sell all here, guys. That was unexpected. Review order. Place. Sweet. I just got filled pretty poorly, but I got out. I got filled at 2.07. So what a trade to start off the day. What is that, like 15%-ish? I don't know. Wow. What a trade on GLD though. Nice, dude. Easy cash. Jeez. Janie Catalan, what's up? You just missed out. We just absolutely banked on GLD. We entered it this line right here. Just took some pretty big profits. We'd love to see it. Uh, Also for Red and Eduardo, feel free guys to like keep a runner if you want, I guess. Just make sure you have some sort of trailing stop loss on it. Just make sure you know that you have those profits secured in the bag. Good stuff though, guys. Wow. Nice, Eduardo. I mean, that's probably smart. Good for you. All right, guys. You guys want more trades? Because I'm feeling it. I think we can take some more. Yeah, let's keep on looking here. This is where I wanted to short Tesla, was right here. This line here, it gapped down pre-market. I mean, we probably aren't. I just don't think like the risk to reward is there, to be honest with you. Let's keep on looking though. You bought calls on Tesla, Red? Oh no. That's an L, bro. I'm sorry to hear that. Oh, I was gonna show you guys this. Check this out. Look at SPY on the dailies, man. Look at how many times it's bounced off this 50-day. It's sitting there right now. Just a thought. Bounce, bounce, bounce. You know, food for thought. If you guys are looking for any sort of swing trade, that's probably what I'd be looking towards. Would be SPY right now, if it bounces. Anyway, let's keep on looking for another little day trade. DraftKings, maybe, 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 probably not. We'll keep on looking. Would swinging TLT be smart? Give me 1 second here. Oh, AMD's kind of in the zone. We'll short it underneath this line here. Let's check out TLT for you really quick. TLT, boom. I think it's in actually, I think it's in a very good spot to swing right now. I think your risk to reward would be very worth it, Eduardo, right? Because we see all these like kind of like mini supports around here. Like you got this kind of support zone like 135.6 down to 132.8, right? So you can expect for a bounce to happen anywhere inside of there. And I think you got a lot of upside. So I would say like, yeah, I think you could probably swing it. I don't think it's that bad of an idea. Yeah, of course, man. Anytime. Go forward. Wow, man, this coffee's really tasting great today. Also, Eduardo, Red, Janie, since I'm not really seeing any upcoming plays right now, feel free to ask any questions, whatever. I am kind of happy with our GLD play, so I'm not really gonna take anything high risk today. After that, I'm kind of just gonna be looking for more so, more secured plays if we see them. If not, then GLD was a great one, I guess. But what's my favorite coffee beans? Ooh. Well, I think I have a couple answers for you, Red. First off, Tate's Coffee has like really great coffee. I ordered like 6 bags of coffee from them in Boston. Um, they're pretty good. I don't know, I guess where their beans are from, but it's pretty good. In terms of like favorite types of beans, I really like there's a coffee shop near me. It's called Monk and Mongoose that sells, it's like beans roasted in blueberries and something else. They're like really good coffee. It's like, like you can really taste like a lot of different subtleties in the coffee, I guess you could say. So those would probably be my favorite types of beans besides maybe tates. I don't even know what tates is like. It's just good. The coffee is just amazing. Better than Starbucks. How about you, Red? What's your favorite type of coffee beans? And Janie, I'm sorry to hear that. We'll see if we can get another one for you. Hawaiian Kona. Yes, actually, Red. That's kind of funny. My ex-girlfriend actually lived or owned a coffee farm in Kona, Red. So that's kind of funny. So yes, I have. They're pretty good. Yeah, kind of strange, man. This is what was really weird for me, is that she lived on the coffee farm, but she didn't even drink coffee. She didn't even like coffee. Kind of crazy if you ask me, but it doesn't make sense. Hmm. That's funny, Red. That's true. That's true. Solid point. Oh, also for everybody that's like following the dividend account, I bought more AT&T pre-market today. Just so you know, I just think it's at such a good buy spot right now. So even though the dividend got cut, didn't even get cut that bad, but is it in Discord? Yeah, I think there's a dividend account thing in Discord. It kind of tells you all the stocks that I'm holding, stuff like that for my dividend account. So yeah. No, I don't think it will, Red. However, for right dividends, right, we're looking like 5 years out, 10 years out. We don't really care about entries as much, right? We're more so looking at how much we're getting paid. I do know the financials that I got into, I'm up pretty bigly in. So I'd maybe if you're trying to like kind of get my similar entries, I would probably stay away from those. Dude, how is GameStop still like all the way up here? I don't get it. It makes no sense. Literally no sense. Oh no. Oh, it says my Mac will sleep soon unless plugged in. Yeah, I'm over GME as well, Red. It was kind of a one and done meme stock. I don't really care about it anymore. I don't think I really ever cared about it though, to be honest. Let's see here. Ooh, AMD's close. Oh man, look at this. So I drew this line a couple days ago. Look at how perfectly it bounced pre-market. We'll take that under. I also need to find a power cord for my computer. All right, guys. I'll be right back. I just need to grab a charger really quick. right, I'm back. Hmm. All right, Red, I'll see you, buddy. I think he's probably already gone. No, he's not. Yep. See you, Red. Have a good one. Yeah, Eduardo, we can definitely talk about credit and debit spreads here. Um, I don't know if now's the greatest time. They are pretty complex. I guess, well, we can probably go over the basics of them. Let's just watch also, just so you guys know. AMD below this pre-market low here. We're gonna buy puts, probably like 72 puts this week expiration. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of credit and debit spreads, but yeah. They're basically like, do you understand what covered calls are in cash secured puts? Like when you sell the calls, you sell the puts. Kinda. Okay, so you know how we buy options, right? So instead of buying them, we can actually, like, if you wanted to buy an option, I can actually sell an option to you, right? So basically, we can open up negative positions, if that makes sense. Like on my brokerage, it'll say I have -1 contracts and -5 contracts when I sell a contract to somebody, right? So we can actually go negative in our positions. And so instead of just selling those, sorry, 1 second here. Geez, I'm a mess this morning, guys. Anyway, though, instead of just selling those, basically when we do credit or debit spread, we basically sell an option and then buy an option, either to lower the risk of the option we sold or to lower the risk of an option that we bought. So let me explain, right? Credit spreads, basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to sell an option, right? That's like maybe worth $1,000. And then what we're going to do is we're going to buy an option that is less expensive, maybe like $800, right? So it basically just lowers our risk of that option we sold, yada, yada, yada. I would say credit spreads are the least popular of the two. Debit spreads are definitely more popular. And how a debit spread works basically is you would sell an option to buy an option and make it like a cheaper entry, if that makes sense. So let's say you buy a AMD call that is worth $100. Basically how a debit spread would work is you paid $100 for that, but then you're going to go around and you're going to sell an AMD call that is worth less, maybe like $80 or $70. So it basically lowers your exposure to that actual contract, if that makes sense, Eduardo. It basically makes your entry cheaper. It makes you basically have to pay less for it. However, it also minimizes your maximum loss. So, do you ever watch what is that show? Options Action on like CNBC, I think is what it is. Exactly. So basically think of it this way, right? When we buy an option contract, what's our maximum loss? What's the most we can lose? Exactly. However, we can lower the amount we actually have to pay if we go ahead and sell an option contract of the same stock. So if we buy, maybe AMD calls it 100, and we just bought those, then we would be able to lose $100 max. That would be our max loss, is $100. However, if we go around and we sell a call, maybe a little bit farther out strike price for $80, then that means that our maximum loss is only 20, right? Because 100 is what we paid, and then we got paid that $80. So our position's only actually like $20, if that makes sense. Oh, GLD, why you gotta play us? That's whatever. Go back to AMD. We made good money on GLD. I'm not gonna be upset. So yeah, Eduardo, that's basically the idea of debit spreads. Credit spreads is basically just minimizing your maximum loss on options that you sell, right? So it's kind of the same deal, except for you receive more in premium from selling the contract than you do in buying a different one, if that makes sense. Yes. So they're pretty cool. I think, yeah, debit spreads are a pretty cool idea. Whoever came up with them is pretty smart. Sorry, we're just waiting at AMD here. I know it's kind of boring just waiting, but that's like 99% of trading, I guess. And just sit here and wait. Good volume though, so at least okay volume. Yeah, the volume's not bad. We're close. Very close. Come on, AMD, give it to us. Give it to us. All right. You're so close. You're so close, AMD. I know you can do it. Just tank a little bit. Yeah. Yep. Just lose that support. Come on. I know you can do it. You can do it, buddy. Do it. Do it. Watch this. AMD is gonna break, and as soon as we enter, it's gonna freaking skyrocket. No, actually, I have faith. AMD's been good to me in the past. And I do like that it's kind of rejecting off of that support as well. That makes me happy. Oh wow, China banned Bitcoin. That's crazy. Wow. I would not have expected that to happen. Eduardo, why are you asking about debit and credit spreads though? Are you thinking about utilizing some of them, or what are you thinking about doing? Definitely. Yeah, I mean, it's just good to know that type of stuff, you know? JP Morgan on a free fall today. Wow. All right. AMD saying nay. He doesn't want to break. We'll keep in mind this line though. It's really solid support. Let's check out Apple. Yeah, the stop loss is the hardest part, man. Because you can always be like, well, I'll give it like two more ticks. I'll give it two more ticks, until it's like you're down 80%. So I totally understand that. Yeah, man, I feel that. It's all mental. Yeah, that must have been pretty sad to see, Eduardo. That happens though. Just like GLD. We got out at like 2.1, ended up going to like 2.4, but we executed our trading strategy. you know, we executed our trading strategy, we made money, so we can't be mad about it. Come on, give us one more trade. Anybody. And nothing. All right, guys. I mean, this is just sad. I guess for you guys, I would keep on watching AMD. I think I'm gonna be out for the day. It kind of sucks, both today and yesterday. It's been literally like one trade days. I mean, which is fine. Like I hit my daily goal both days off of one trade, but it's still kind of frustrating seeing it only be like one trade today. GLD was good though. We can recap it really quick. Entered, let's go to the 5 minutes. We entered right here on GLD. We took profit like right around tier-ish. It ended up being like 15-ish% trade. Not great, but it is what it is. We didn't lose money today, so that's good. Also, really quick before I head out, what do you guys think about starting some account challenge? Like set, I think I have like a brokerage account that I did like a small account challenge with once for everybody. I think I had it at like $1,000. I can add like we can do like a $10,000 challenge. We could do like a $2,000 challenge. We could do like a $1,000 challenge. Totally up to you guys. Is that something you guys are interested in? Because if so, I can talk to like Isaac and Phantom about it and we can figure out if that's something we want to do. Eduardo, he's interested. T, and then Janie. And if I am gonna do it, what like account size would you guys suggest? I was thinking, I mean, here's the issue. Is definitely the smaller your account is, the harder it is, right? So I think I would be kind of more biased towards like a 10,000 or something like around those lines. We can definitely do something like if everybody wants like 1,000 or $2,000, we can totally do that as well, though. We'll figure it out. So thoughts? Yeah, 2 to 5,000. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we could do like 1,000 or I'll think about it for sure. Yeah. All right. I'll think about it, guys. I'm gonna head out. Yeah. Thank you guys. It was a fun time. I will see you all tomorrow, I guess. I'll probably do a Zoom call tomorrow. We shall see though. All right. See you all. Yeah. Have a good one, guys. Yeah, of course, Eduardo. Sorry, Jeannie, that you joined after GLD. Anyway, have a good one, guys.